Your dog is eating poop? It sounds gross, but it is actually pretty common. Let's find out why this happens and what you can do about it. Poop eating, also called coprophagia, can happen for several reasons. Sometimes it is due to a nutritional deficiency, boredom, anxiety, or even just because your dog likes the taste. Puppies may learn this from their mother or other dogs. Feed your dog a well-balanced, veterinarian-approved diet. Pick up poop right away. Try adding pineapple or meat tenderizer to meals and redirect with toys or training commands. Comment "yuck" if your pup has done this.